Tuition on Air.
Compulsory English book, and this book is for science students, commerce students, management students.
दूरशिक्षा रेडियो कार्यक्रम ट्युसन अन एयर मनको आवाज युनिक एफएम 94.2 मेगाहर्ज र तानसेन नगरपालिकाको सहकार्यमा
कोरोना संक्रमण रोकथामका लागि जारी लकडाउनको अवस्थालाई मध्यनजर गरी उत्पादन गरिएको दूरशिक्षा रेडियो कार्यक्रम ट्युसन अन एयर।
नमस्कार, तानसेन नगरपालिकाको सहयोग र युनिक एफएम 94.2 मेगाहर्जको उत्पादन तथा प्रसारणमा सुरु भएको दूरशिक्षा कार्यक्रम ट्युसन अन इयर कार्यक्रममा कक्षा 11 को कम्पलसरी इंग्लिश विषय अध्यापन तथा सहजीकरणका लागि विगतका दिनहरूमा जस्तै आज पनि उपस्थित भएको छु म कमलराज बस्याल। तपाईहरुले यो कार्यक्रम फेसबुक पेजबाट पनि सुन्न सक्नुहुनेछ, त्यस्तै गरी वेबसाइटबाट www.unicfmpalpa.com बाट पनि सुन्न सक्नुहुनेछ, त्यस्तै गरी युट्युबबाट पनि तपाईहरुले चाहेको बखत सुन्न सक्नुहुनेछ। विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू, तपाईहरुलाई मैले पहिलाको कक्षामा 8औं कक्षामा र आजको यो 9औं कक्षा छ, कक्षा 11 को कम्पलसरी इंग्लिशको यो 9औं क्लास छ। 9औं क्लासमा सुरु गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि थोरै हामीले पहिलेको क्लासमा के कुराहरू गरेका थियौं भने युनिट 5 अन्तर्गतको हामीले फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियन्सको कुराहरू गर्यौं, त्यस्तै गरी पास्ट टाइमहरुको कुरा गर्यौं, अनि त्यस्तै गरी केही त्यसमा प्रयोग हुने प्रिपोजिसनहरुको बारेमा अन, इन र एट विथ नो प्रिपोजिसन भन्ने कुराहरू गरेका थियौं। र एउटा इम्पोर्टेन्ट टपिक तपाईहरुसँग यदि बुक छ भने वर्क बुक हेर्नुस्, मिनिङ टु वर्ड्स को वर्क बुक पेज नम्बर 19 मा यदि तपाईहरुसँग छ भने यो क्वेशन धेरै पटक सोधिएको पनि छ र यो केसँग रिलेटेड छ भने इफ यु हैव बुक देन यु क्यान लोकेट द पेज नम्बर 34। यस 34 टेस्ट योर मेमोरी विथ द क्विज। देयर इज अ क्विज दिएको छ। त्यो क्विजमा भनिएको छ क्यान यु आन्सर दिस क्वेशन्स व्हाट ह्यापेन्ड इन रोम अन 14 मार्च 44 BC, who were the following discovered by Penicillium, North America, etc. So these question, on the basis of this question, in meaning into words, page number 19, you can look there the past simple passive. The sentences are of past simple passive. So first of all, the students should be clear about to change or how to change the simple past tense into passive. So how do you change the simple past tense into passive? So first of all, you should be clear. So the things we should care about are the subject, verb and object. And object of the subject is changed into the subject of the passive voice or the sentence, and was or were are the auxiliaries, and V2 is the main verb of the past simple, so that is changed into V3rd, past participle, and if needed we use by and object. If the object is plural of the active voice, then no need to write them. Okay? तपाईले सबैभन्दा पहिला सब्जेक्ट, भर्ब र अब्जेक्ट चिन्नुस्, त्यसपछि एक्टिभ भोइसलाई प्यासिभ भोइस बनाउँदा एक्टिभ भोइसको अब्जेक्टलाई प्यासिभ भोइसको सब्जेक्टको रूपमा अगाडि लेख्नुस्, त्यसपछि वोज अथवा वेयर लेख्नुस्, त्यसपछि भर्बलाई भर्ब थर्ड बनाउनुस्, त्यसपछि बाई प्लस अब्जेक्ट। सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट छ भने बाई लेख्नुस् र अब्जेक्ट, यदि प्लुरल छ भने नलेख्न पनि सक्नुहुन्छ। र यो हुँदै गर्दा पेज नम्बर 19 अब तपाईहरुले हेर्नु भएको छ भने एउटा इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेशन, धेरै पटक परीक्षामा सोधिएको क्वेशन छ यो, र मैले भाइ बहिनीलाई यही क्वेशनलाई आज प्र्याक्टिस गराउँछु। प्लिज, आर यु रेडी? इफ यु आर रेडी, देन राइट अ ट्रू सेन्टेन्स युजिङ द प्यासिभ अबाउट each of the following. Choose the most appropriate verbs from the list. There is a list of vocabulary verbs to be used in question number 1 to 9, and the students should use them The verbs are design, build, found, discover, invent, destroy, assassinate, paint, beat. These are the verbs to be used in question number 1 to 9. Okay. The first question, Mona Lisa, in bracket, there is Leonardo da Vinci. Mona Lisa, in bracket, there is Leonardo da Vinci. So you have to use the verb, appropriate verb, and change this word into passive. So you have to make the passive sentence now. Can you? The example has been given. The first question has been given as an example so that the students generalize the rules. How can we change this sentence? So it is the model. It is the structure to be used. The Mona Lisa, it is one of the picture. What's great picture? The Mona Lisa was painted. The appropriate verb to this first word is paint. So the Mona Lisa, it is used as an object plus was plus painted. V3 by Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, Mona Lisa, object, Leonardo da Vinci is the subject. So by Leonardo da Vinci. Okay, similarly, the second question is done. Okay, St. Paul's Cathedral. Okay, St. Paul's Cathedral, Christopher Wren. So St. Paul's Cathedral, it is the object. Now it is changed into the subject of the passive voice. So the answer of this question is, can you write please? Try your best if you can. Okay, St. Paul's Cathedral was designed by DESIGNED, designed by Christopher Wren. Christopher Wren. You have to write it, please. Oh, if you are able, you can. Otherwise, please take a note. Number 3, penicillin, in bracket, Alexander Fleming. So penicillin is the object. So plus penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. The answer is that. Who invented? Who discovered? Okay, who discovered the penicillin? If the question is who discovered the penicillin, the answer is penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. Oh, it is general questions as well. In general question, these types of question can be asked. Next, London, fire 1660. When London was destroyed by fire. Okay, the answer is London was destroyed or London was caught. There is no word caught, so the word is destroy. So change the word destroy into passive. London was destroyed by fire. London was destroyed by fire in 1666. London was destroyed by fire in 1666. Next question, number 5. The Flush Lavatory. The Flush Lavatory, Thomas Crapper. Thomas Crapper, who invented it? The Flush Lavatory was invented by Thomas Crapper. Okay. This is the way, this is the technique of writing the sentence or making or changing the sentence into passive. If you go to the question number 6, 7, 8 and 9, so follow this structure, this formula, the way of writing. The example is this, the model as given in the first question. You can follow and you can write it. Now number 6, the pyramids, it is subject. And you have to use the verb. Okay, in question number 6, the appropriate verb is built. The pyramid was built and by ancient Egyptians. Very easily you can write it. Please, no, the pyramids were, again please, the pyramids were Built, B-U-I-L-T. No, the verb third of the build is built by ancient Egyptians. Okay. And number 7, assassinate. Assassinate is the appropriate word, verb. And next, number 8, beat is the verb or the word appropriate for this. And you have to make it beaten. No, assassinated in number 7, assassinated. Number 8, beaten, B-E-A-T-E-N. And last question, number 9, founded. Find is changed into founded to make the sentence passive. So please, question number 7, 8 and 9, they are the assignment to the students. Please, without any doubt, you can complete them. Okay, this is one important topic from workbook as well. And if you go through the old is gold or the question collection, you can see the question from this page number 19 of the workbook. Okay, now come to the next topic, next unit, that is 6.3. I think you are ready. So if you are ready, then let's, without any loss of the time, let's see page number 38. Okay, see for yourself. See for yourself. The example is, there is an example in 6.3. On the basis of that example, the students, you can write. Can you? If you are able, then please do not hesitate. You can write. It is not very difficult, not tough. So there is example, somebody is watching us. Somebody is watching us. The example is there is. You have to write there is plus somebody, then watching us. Again, please. First of all, use the word there is. If the subject is plural, then you can use there are as well. The structure can be there plus is or are plus somebody, means subject, plus verb. Generally, verb is before there. Is MR plus before, so plus subject plus before or ing. And you write the remaining things you find in the sentence. Okay? Can you do it? Change the sentences in the same way. Okay, now the first example is there is somebody watching us. And second example is change this sentence into passive. Like watching us in the example, us is the object of we. So it is changed into we. In below, in example, you can see we. How we is written? Because the subject of the above sentence is us. No? Object of the, there is somebody watching us. Us is the object and the subject of us is we. So it is changed into we. We have, has been written. हेर्नुस् त us को subject के रहेछ we छ हैन. there is somebody watching us भन्ने छ. तपाईले यो कसरी लेख्नु भयो त? somebody is watching us भन्दाखेरि there is लेख्नुस् अथवा there are लेख्नुस्. त्यसपछि यहाँ subject लेख्नुस्. somebody को ठाउँमा subject लेख्ने हो. यो somebody subject हो. त्यसपछि माथिको watching लेख्नुस्. us को us कपी गर्नुस्, केही छैन. अब सेकेन्डमा कसरी चेन्ज गरेको छ फेरि? us को सब्जेक्ट we हो. इजेमआर मध्ये we सँग के हुन्छ? are हुन्छ प्यासिभ बनाउँदा, अथवा we accepts are. त्यसपछि यो त वाचिङ छ. वाचिङ भएर प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युअस टेन्स को जहिले पनि प्यासिभ बनाउँदा इजेमआर प्लस बीइङ हुन्छ. फर्मुला स्ट्रक्चर नै यही छ. त्यही भएर बीइङ, we are being, वाचिङलाई वाच गर्नुस्. कति सजिलो. तपाईं त्यति जटिल छँदै छैन यो, तर एक्जामको लागि पनि महत्त्वपूर्ण छ यो. अब आउँछ है त क्वेशन नम्बर फर्स्ट हेरौँ त. हुन्छ, रेडी हुनुहुन्छ भने, सक्नुहुन्न भने तपाईहरुले लेख्न पनि सक्नुहुन्छ, कपी गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. म बताइदिन्छु केही क्वेशनहरु र केही क्वेशनहरु तपाईहरुले घरमै बसेर पनि लेख्नुस्, प्र्याक्टिस गर्नुस्. किन भन्दा सरहरुले सबै कुरा बताइदिँदा पनि तपाईहरुको मेहनत गर्ने बानी हराउँछ. त्यही भएर केही क्वेशनहरु तपाईहरुले आफूले पनि खोज्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. तर म हिन्ट्स बताइदिन्छु तपाईहरुलाई. सकेसम्म मैले तपाईहरुलाई अप्ठ्यारो पर्ने किसिमबाट बताउँदिन. हिन्ट्सहरू छोडिदिन्छु, तपाईँहरूले त्यो गर्नुहोस्। र त्यस्तो भएन भने म एन्सर पनि भोलि तपाईँहरूले फिडब्याक दिनुहोस्, बरु कसो गर्नुपर्छ। त्यस्तो भयो भने अर्को क्लासमा म त्यसको एन्सर पनि बताइदिन सक्छु, आवश्यकता पर्यो भने। र पर्दैन भने तपाईँहरू आफू पनि कन्फिडेन्स भएर ट्राई गर्नुहोस्। सो इफ यु ट्राई देन यु क्यान डु इट। अब हेर्नुहोस् है त, अब यसमा त्यही हो, मैले फेरि पनि भने देयर इज अथवा आर प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस भर्ब आइएनजी लेखेर बनाइएको छ। त्यसैले कसरी गर्ने भन्ने यहाँ हो। अब आउनुहोस्, चेन्ज दिस सेन्टेन्स इन द सेम वे। क्वेसन नम्बर फर्स्ट, समवन इज फलोइङ अस। समवन इज फलोइङ अस। सो फर्स्ट अफ अल राइट देयर इज। देयर इज, इट इज द स्ट्रक्चर। देयर इज अथवा आर लेख्नै पर्छ। देयर इज लेख्नुभयो, त्यसपछि के छ, समवन छ सब्जेक्ट, सब्जेक्ट ल्याउनुहोस्, समवन लेख्नुहोस्। भर्ब के छ, फलोइङ छ, हैन। फेरि समवन इज नगर्नुहोस् है, देयर इज समवन इज गरेको हुन्छ कतिपय स्टुडेन्टले, द्याट इज रङ। यु अलरेडी रोट इज, सो नो एक्जुलरी इज रिटन 2 times or twice in one sentence। एकै ठाउँमा चाहिँ नजिकै हैन, अथवा एउटा सब्जेक्ट आइसकेपछि 2टा एक्जुलरी लेख्नु पाइँदैन। समवन इज फलोइङ अस भन्नुभयो, देयर इज लेख्नुहोस्, समवन लेख्नुहोस्, फलोइङ अस। अब प्यासिभ गर्नुहोस्, अघिकै जस्तै चाहिँ एक्जाम्पलमा चाहिँ सब्जेक्ट के गराउनुहुन्छ, अस छ, असलाई के गर्नु, चेन्ज इट इन्टु द सब्जेक्ट। असको सब्जेक्ट के हो, वी। वी टेक्स आर, वी आर। यो कन्टिन्युअस टेन्स छ, वी आर बिङ गर्नुहोस्। फलोको भर्ब 3 के छ, फलोड। वी आर बिङ फलोड। ओके। और नम्बर 2, देयर आर सम मेन पुलिङ डाउन द हाउस। देयर आर सम मेन पुलिङ डाउन द हाउस। ओके। नम्बर 2, देयर आर सम मेन पुलिङ डाउन द हाउस। किन मैले यो भने, किन भन्दा सम मेन आर पुलिङ डाउन द हाउस भन्ने क्वेसन छ। एन्सर सिधै देयर आर सम मेन पुलिङ डाउन द हाउस। द एन्सर अफ द क्वेसन 2 इज देयर आर सम मेन इज द सब्जेक्ट, पुलिङ इज द भर्ब, डाउन द हाउस। नम्बर 3, another car is overtaking us. Another car is overtaking us. Another car is overtaking us. The answer is there is, what do you write after there is? Another car is the subject. There is, what is the subject of the sentence? There is another car. Okay, so there is another car. The verb is overtaking. There is another car overtaking us, and it is changed into passive. Can you change it into passive? Okay, try. We are, then, okay, try. Okay, question number 2, 3, you can write. Okay, now question number 4. Someone is looking after the children. Subject is someone. So there is someone, looking is the verb, so write looking. There is someone looking after the children. Change it into passive. The subject is, object of the sentence is the children, so it is now subject. The children are being looked after. The children are being looked after. Children are being looked after. Similarly, question number 5. 2 policemen are questioning the man. So, it is also the same. You have to write it. Number 6. A man is feeding the tigers. So, please practice it. You have to write it. Number 7, 8, 9, 10. They are different. So, 7, 8 and 9, 10. They are different. 7 and 8. 2. Question number 7 and 8. They have the same model. They are negative sentences. And question number 9 and 10. They are question interrogative sentence. So they take different structured model. They have the different examples. The way of writing is different. As we practiced from 1 to 6. So 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's discuss the topic 7, 8 and 9, 10. So how to complete them? Okay, first of all, question number 7. I explain the question 7 and you have to practice 8. And when I explain 9, you have to complete question number 10. Okay? Okay, first question number 7. The question number 7, nobody is using the car today. So make this sentence negative positive. There is not. Why there is not? Because there is the subject nobody. Nobody is negative. It indicates the negative of the sentence, negative subject. There is not. If it is negative sentence, we cannot use nobody again or somebody. So instead of that, we have to use anybody. तपाईहरुले यस्तोमा anybody लेख्नुस्. There is not anybody. There is not anybody. The same structure. Using the car today. There is not anybody using the car today. हेर्नुस् है, there is लेखियो. Is not किन negative बनाउन. Nobody हटाएर anybody लेखियो. Using the car today. Number 8. Nobody is guarding the prisoner. Before that, 7 को passive हेर्नुस् फेरि. Passive कसरी गर्ने? कार भन्ने object छ. The car लाई subject ल्याउनुस्. The car is the subject. Make it negative. The car is not continuous tense छ. त्यही भएर being लेख्नुस्. The car is not being used today. Okay, the car is not being used today. Question number 8. Question number 8 मा जानुस्. There is not anybody. There is not anybody guarding the prisoner. There is not anybody guarding the prisoner. And passive is the prisoner is not being guarded. The prisoner is not being guarded. Okay. Likewise, question number 9. The question is anybody making the tea? It is interrogative question sentence. Is there anybody making the tea? Okay. The answer is anybody making the tea? It is the question. So the answer is there. So you have to write auxiliary at first. Is then subject. It is the structure of the question, interrogative. So is there then anybody? Is there anybody making the tea? Now in passive, the same structure. Is the tea being made? Is the tea being made? Okay, please. With this, follow the same structure and complete the question number 10. Okay, you can write. I believe you can write, you can practice. You can have the good solution of question number 10 as well. So with this, please come to the practice now. In page number 38, there is a practice. So the practice talks that an explanation to each of the remarks below saying what is happening. So you have to explain what is happening there in the sentence. In the question, what question is given. So first of all, analyze the question, then you have to explain what is happening. Examples, don't go out in your sandals. It is pouring with rain. तपाईं चप्पल लगाएर बाहिर नजानुस्, पानी परिरहेको छ. हेर्नुस् है, don't go in your sandals. तपाईं जुत्ता चप्पल लगाएर sandals, तपाईं चप्पल लगाएर पानी बाहिर ननिस्कनुस्. तपाईं कारण दिनुस् पछाडी. What is happening? The reason. What is happening means you have to add the reason explanation. So adding explanation, it is pouring with rain. ठुलो पानी परेको छ. Could you answer the door? Could you answer the door? After knocking, hey, कोले के छ? तपाईले यसो के भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ, बताउन सक्नुहुन्छ? We need response. There is someone ringing the bell. यसो भन्नुस् त, हेर्नुस् त, ढोका कोले के गर्दै छ? So somebody is ringing or someone is ringing the bell. Third, example third, keep your head down. Keep your head down. शिर निहुराउनुस्, टाउको निहुराउनुस् है. We are being sorted. हामीलाई कसैले आक्रमण गर्दैछ. So these are the explanation. The first are the questions and later on we have to add the appropriate explanation to make it clear, to complete. So यहाँ question number 1 देखि दिएको छ 8 सम्म. कसरी गर्ने के एक्जाम्पलहरु म बताउँछु, त्यसपछि तपाईहरु गर्नुस् प्लिज है. Okay, question number 1. Don't switch the radio. Don't switch the radio. Don't switch the radio off. Radio बन्द नगर न, नगर्नु न भन्यो. तपाईले एउटा केही जोड्नुस् त्यहाँ. I am listening to it. I am listening to it. Don't switch the radio. Then you write, I am listening to it. I am listening the news. Or somebody is talking with me. Somebody is talking with me. Number 2, you would better hurry up and eat that ice cream. You would better hurry up and eat that ice cream. It is melting. It is melting, melting. We need to have our roof repaired. घरको छाना चुहिने भयो. So what do? So we need repaired. It is needed to be repaired. So the answer is we need to have our roof repaired. It is leaking. 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 It is leaking. Leaking. Water is leaking. It means there is water is leaking from the hole. Number 4. Pass me a paper handkerchief. I need paper handkerchief. So I'm feeling cold. My nose is running. So there is bleeding from my hand. So you can write, you can add any explanation that suit to the sentence context. Okay, pass me a paper handkerchief. My nose is running. It is running. Number 5. I am afraid you can't use the room just now. I'm afraid. It means you are not allowed to use the room just now. You cannot use the room. It means it has been just painted. It has been just painted. Or let's say it has been decorated. Next, question number 6. You should put some suntan oil on your back. You need suntan oil, kind of oil on your back that helps you to remove or to be safe from the rays of the sun. Okay. Number 6. It is going red. Okay. It is going red. It is let's say it is peeling. It is peeling as well. Okay. Similarly, please question number 7 and 8. There is no need to worry about the children, and quick, darling, hide in the wardrobe. So please, students, write the question number 7 and 8 as homework. So you can write them. You can do the exercise remaining 7.8. Now question, point 6.6. We come to another point. So 6.6, you have to explain about the current activities. 6.6. So here you have to use the present simple present tense. And here, for example, in 6.6, we call like, I am a farmer, I am a teacher, I am a student, I am a worker. So you have to explain the job or the current activities. So what you are doing. So if I am a teacher, what I am doing. Or you can ask what you are doing now. No? What are you doing? If you ask me who you are, so like, okay, what do you do? It means, what do you do? I am a teacher. तपाईले कसैले सोध्नुहुन्छ what do you do भन्नुभयो भने को हो के गर्छौ भन्ने कुरा. I am a teacher. So what is my job? My job is teaching. So at the moment, at this time, in this period, means current activities. What are you making? What are you teaching? What are you doing? तपाईले अहिले तत्काल के गर्नु भएको छ भनेर हामीले यसमा सोध्छौं. करेन्ट एक्टिभिटीज भनेको म टिचर हो अथवा तपाई स्टुडेन्ट हो. What do you do means I am a student. है तपाईले I am a student भन्नुहुन्छ. त्यसपछि प्रेजेन्ट अहिले तत्काल के पढ्दै छौ, कतिमा पढ्दै छौ, के को तयारी गर्दै छौ भनेर तपाईलाई सोधिन्छ र तपाईले त्यो एक्सप्लेन गर्नुहुन्छ. ओके, लेट्स टक this dialogue, very short dialogue. What do you do? A asks the question, what do you do? Number B replies, I am a film producer. I make documentary films. I am a teacher. I teach English language or compulsory English in grade 11. So what are you teaching? A. यहाँ हेर्नुस्, what are you making? What are you working on at the moment? तपाई के गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ? What are you teaching at the moment? तपाईले के पढाइरहनु भएको छ त भन्न सक्छ अथवा के पढ्दै हुनुहुन्छ भन्न सक्छ तपाईलाई. I am making a documentary about horse racing. मैले horse racing को documentary बनाउँदै छु भने मैले के भन्छु? I am teaching meaning into words, or I am teaching compulsory English grade 11 and it's 6.6 current activities. मैले अहिले तत्काल पढाइरहेको current activities मेरो चाहिँ मैले के पढाइरहेको छु भन्दा 6.6 पढाइरहेको छु अथवा मैले मिनिङ इन्टु वर्ड्स पढाइरहेको छु तपाईले के भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ आई एम लर्निङ आई एम प्र्याक्टिसिङ meaning into words. It is your current activity. Okay, I think it is clear. So with this, please come to the point. A writer. Question is a writer. So go through the dialogue form. So A asks, what do you do? Then B replies, I am a writer. A writer दियो तपाईले यही प्रयोग गर्नुस् writer. A asks the question, what are you writing at the moment? तपाईले यही स्ट्रक्चर प्रयोग गर्नुस् what are you making or working on भनेको छ writer भनेपछि what are you writing at the moment? And B replies, I am writing or I am writing a story, a short story, or I am writing an essay on the value of the earth. I'm writing an essay on the value of the. Okay, number 2, an architect, designer, engineer. Architect. What do you do? B says, I am an architect and I design buildings. I design buildings. Architect's job is to design the buildings. So he explains his job that he designs building. Oh, I design buildings. And A again asks the question, what are you designing at the moment? What are you designing at the moment? And A replies, I am designing a business. I am designing a business apartment. Designing a business apartment. Okay. Number 3, a painter. What is the painter's job? So you can guess the answer. Number 3, what do you do? Besides, I am a painter. I paint musical scenes, dramatic scenes, natural scenes. Okay. Number A again asks the question, what are you painting at the moment? सबैमा त्यही गर्नुस् at the moment भन्ने यही छ स्ट्रक्चर त्यही गर्नुस्. What are you painting at the moment? I am painting the flow of the river. I am painting the picture of Kali Gandaki. Picture of the Kali Gandaki. Number 4, what do you do? The question is a composer. So a composer is there. So what do you do? Composer answers, I am a composer. So ule bhancha, I am a composer. I compose lyrics, music, songs. Okay. What are you composing at the moment? Then B answers, I am composing a folk music. A folk music. मैले एउटा लोकगीतको अथवा I am composing a pop song, pop music, classical music, etc. Number 5, detective. Detective तपाईले सुन्नु भएको होला. डिटेक्टिभ भनेको एउटा चाहिँ इन्भेस्टिगेटर हो, अनुसन्धानकर्ता. उसको काम भनेको फाइन्डिङ आउट द मर्डर है, मर्डररहरूलाई चाहिँ पत्ता लगाउने. यसलाई लेख्नुस्. र नम्बर लास्ट, जर्नलिस्ट. जर्नलिस्ट जब इज टु राइट or design or make the news, collect the news. अब न्यूजहरु बनाउने जर्नलिस्टहरुले रिपोर्टिङहरु गर्ने यस्ता कुराहरु आउँछ. यसलाई तपाईहरुले धेरै कुराहरु चाहिँ गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. यही भन्ने हुँदैन, अरु कुराहरु पनि दिन सक्छ. मैले फर एक्जाम्पल स्टुडेन्ट, टिचर, डक्टर हैन. सो likewise other questions also can be asked. यस्तै किसिमबाट पेज नम्बर 6.7 मा जानुस्. रिडिङ गेम, द प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युअस प्यासिभ. यसमा भाइ बहिनीहरु 6.7 मा थोरै कुरा, तपाईहरुले अरु कुरा गर्नु पर्दैन. यसमा मात्र यहाँ प्यासिभ सेन्टेन्सहरु बनाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. 6.7 मा हाउ क्यान यु चेन्ज दिस सेन्टेन्सेस इन्टु द प्यासिभ. यसलाई प्यासिभ तपाईले कसरी गराउने भन्ने कुरा हेर्नु होला. जस्तो यहाँ दिएको छ क्वेशन नम्बर, डियर फ्ल्याट इज बीइङ कम्प्लिटली मोडर्नाइज्ड, मिस वर्ल्ड इज बीइङ गिवन भिआइपी ट्रिटमेन्ट. यहाँ हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, इज बीइङ कम्प्लिटली मोडर्नाइज्ड, इज बीइङ गिवन. देन नेक्स्ट इज द वार इज कजिङ टेरिबल सफरिङ. यी सेन्टेन्सहरु यहाँ छन्, कोही प्यासिभमा दिएका छन्, कुनै एक्टिभमा छन्. अब यस्तै किसिमबाट हामीले चाहिँ यसलाई प्यासिभ बनाउन पर्ने हुन्छ. यहाँ यसमा पहिला दुईटा सेन्टेन्सहरू माथिको र तलको सेक्सन ए र बी लाई हामी एट्याच गरौँ अथवा त्यसलाई म्याच गरौँ। यहाँ भन्न खोजिएको म्याच द सेन्टेन्सेस इन सेक्सन ए विथ द कन्टिन्युअस अर इन सेक्सन बी। तिनीहरूको कन्टिन्युएसन छ, माथिकोसँग सिरियलले मिल्ने छ, त्यसलाई जोडा मिलाउँ, त्यसपछि त्यसलाई कसरी गर्ने भन्ने कुरा हुन्छ। जस्तो हेर्नुहोस्, फर्स्टमा दियर फ्ल्याट इज बिङ कम्प्लिटली मोडर्नाइज्ड भन्ने छ, यसको जोडा मिल्ने भनेको त्यहाँ दियर फ्ल्याट इज बिङ कम्प्लिटली मोडर्नाइज्ड, दे आर टेकिङ आउट all the old fireplaces and they are putting in central heating भन्ने छ। नम्बर 2 मा जानुभयो भने हेर्नुहोस्, मिस वर्ल्ड इज बिङ गिभन भिआइपी ट्रिटमेन्ट भन्ने छ। मिस वर्ल्ड इज बिङ गिभन भिआइपी ट्रिटमेन्ट, पिपल आर टेकिङ हर आउट टु नाइट क्लब्स एन्ड एभ्रीवन इज बाइङ हर बकेट अफ रोजेस। Likewise, question number 3, the war is causing terrible suffering. Troops are destroying the crops and the invading army is burning down all the villages. यसरी चाहिँ यसको म्याचिङ छ, कन्टिन्युएसन छ सेन्टेन्स। र यो भन्दा पनि हामीलाई यहाँ दिन खोजेको कुरा के छ भने म्याच द सेन्टेन्सेस इन सेक्सन ए विथ द कन्टिन्युएसन इन सेक्सन बी भनिसकेपछि नाउ रिड देम, चेन्ज द कन्टिन्युएसन सिन इन्टु द प्यासिभ। अब तपाईले यसलाई चाहिँ प्यासिभ बनाउनुहोस्। जस्तो कसरी बनाउने, माथिबाट फर्स्ट क्वेसन आउनुहोस्, दियर फ्ल्याट इज बिङ कम्प्लिटली मोडर्नाइज्ड। माथि जे छ त्यही गर्यो यसमा, तर हामीले चाहिँ अरू क्वेसनहरू चेन्ज हुन्छ। जस्तो क्वेसन नम्बर 1 मा अहिले दे आर पुटिङ भन्नेलाई के हुन सक्छ, जस्तो यहाँ हेरौँ, अल द ओल्ड फायर प्लेसेस आर बिङ टेकन आउट, प्यासिभ बनाइदियो है। नेक्स्ट, सेन्ट्रल हिटिङ इज बिङ पुट इन। पहिला जोडा मिलाउनुहोस् र सबैलाई प्यासिभमा चेन्ज गर्नुहोस्। जस्तो फर्स्ट क्वेसन मैले बताएँ भने 2 नम्बर हेरौँ र अरू कुरा तपाईँहरूले गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है। नम्बर 2, Miss World is being given VIP treatment. Miss World is being given VIP treatment. त्यही छ त्यो। त्यसैको अर्को कन्टिन्युएसन, she is being taken out to night clubs. She is being taken out to night clubs and she is being bought buckets of roses. She is being bought buckets of roses. तपाईले त्यहाँ देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ, देख्नुभयो। त्यसैलाई अझै हामीले buckets of roses being bought to her भन्न पनि सकिन्छ है। यसमा अझै रोजेस, buckets of roses के अरे buckets of roses are being bought to her भन्न पनि सकिन्छ। नम्बर 3, terrible suffering is being caused by the war. The war is causing terrible suffering भन्ने छ, त्यसलाई हामीले प्यासिभ बनाउँदा terrible suffering is being caused by the war. The crops are being destroyed by troops and all the villages are being burned down by the invading army. है, यसरी भाइ बहिनीहरू तपाईले यो एक्सरसाइजलाई यो किसिमबाट गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। र आजको क्लास अन्त्य गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि म पुनः भाइ बहिनीलाई अरू बाँकी क्वेसन नम्बर 3 सम्म भने 4, 5, 6 र 7 क्वेसनहरू तपाईले मैले होम असाइनमेन्ट अथवा घरमै बसेर गृह कार्य गर्नुस्, प्र्याक्टिस गर्नुस्, खोज्नुस्। तपाईले जति खोजेर लेख्न सक्नुहुन्छ त्यो नै राम्रो हो। टिचरले एउटा चाहिँ वे, रोड म्याप तपाईहरुलाई चाहिँ एउटा म्याप मात्रै देखाउने हो। त्यो म्याप फलो गर्नुभयो भने यु क्यान गेट or you can achieve your destination, your goals. So please do not hesitate, try your best. If you can't, then you can ask us as well. So please do practice. If you do much practice, then you have the success. You will get the success. So please don't worry. Then complete question number 4, 5, 6 and 7. And in next class, I will continue with this point again. So please have a great day and keep on practice a lot and learn as much as possible. Thank you for today's class. Okay, thank you very much.
कक्षा 11 र 12 को परीक्षा तयारी गरिरहेका भाइ बहिनीहरू, तपाईलाई ट्युसन अन एयर को आजको अंक कस्तो लाग्यो? सहयोगी संस्था तानसेन नगरपालिका ट्युसन अन एयर कार्यक्रमको परामर्शदाता भगवती टोल तानसेनमा रहेको इभरग्रीन एजुकेसन सेन्टर EEC का सञ्चालक पुण्य सुवेदी लगायत अध्यापनको क्रममा खट्नुहुने सम्पूर्ण आदरणीय गुरुवर्गहरूमा सादर नमन गर्दछौं। भाइ बहिनीहरू, हामीलाई पत्राचार गर्न चाहनुभयो भने हामीलाई पत्राचार गर्ने ठेगाना टिप्नुहोस्। हाम्रो ठेगाना हो दूर शिक्षा कार्यक्रम ट्युसन अन एयर युनिक FM 94.2 मेगाहर्ज तानसेन 5 कैलाशनगर र हाम्रो इमेल आइडी पनि नोट गर्नुहोस् news.uniquefm@gmail.com। भाइ बहिनीहरू, ट्युसन अन एयर कार्यक्रम हाम्रो FM को आधिकारिक वेबसाइट www.uniquefmpalpa.com बाट पनि तपाईहरूले हेर्न र सुन्न सक्नुहुनेछ।
ट्युसन अन एयर
compulsory English book. And this book is for science students, commerce students, management students.
दूर शिक्षा रेडियो कार्यक्रम ट्युसन अन एयर मनको आवाज युनिक FM 94.2 मेगाहर्ज र तानसेन नगरपालिकाको सहकार्यमा
कोरोना संक्रमण रोकथामका लागि जारी लकडाउनको अवस्थालाई मध्यनजर गरी उत्पादन गरिएको दूर शिक्षा रेडियो कार्यक्रम ट्युसन अन एयर।